This video introduces the Split Mesh tool. The Split Mesh tool will divide a mesh into two parts based on a cutting plane. The tool is accessed from the Surface Utilities palette and is the seventh tool icon from the left. Let's demonstrate by splitting a torus. Let's select a torus and input its center point and a point on. And now let's create a cutting plane, and we will use a cutting plane along x-axis. Place it, and now select our split surface tool. Select the mesh, select the cutting plane, and now let's go ahead and slide over the part that was split. Let's do that once more. This time we'll create a Z station cutting plane. Select its location, select the split surface tool, select the mesh, and select the cutting plane. And then again, let's pick the top half of the torus and move it out. The Split Mesh tool is particularly useful when creating parts for 3D printing. By splitting a part into smaller pieces, you can utilize smaller print tables. In this example, we'll split our part into two, add some alignment pegs using booleans, and place on a printer bed. Let's display our 3D print tools and turn on our current print volume area. This is for our MakerBot replicator, and you can see our model is too large for our print bed. So let's utilize our split tool to make it fit. First thing I'm going to do is we do have a open bottom, and let's go ahead and use the split tool to close out that bottom. So we'll pick our Z station plane and locate it near the base. Then we'll select our split tool, select the mesh, and select the plane. Note that the split tool will close that hole out for us, as well as dividing the mesh along that cutting plane edge. Once the split is done, we'll go to the select tool and we'll remove the portion of the mesh on the other side of the plane. And rotating, you can see it's now closed. Now let's jump into the front view, and let's place another cutting plane across the center of our statue. And this time we'll select an X station, and we're going to put it along the nose here. And again, select the split tool, select the mesh, select the cutting plane, and let it slice the head into two pieces. Again, we'll go to the select tool, we'll hide a portion of the mesh. And now let's go ahead and add a couple alignment holes using some mesh booleans such that we can reassemble it when we're done printing. And I will go to the cylinder tool, cylinder mesh, and we'll make this 0.01 inch radius. And let's place it relative to our part. And we'll create 3 alignment pegs. And then go to the subtract surface, the fourth icon from the left, and we'll select the part that we want to subtract from, and then we'll select each of our alignment cylinders. And then next we're going to display our print volume again, and let's rotate our model onto the flat plate. We'll use our positioning tool. We'll select any facet on the plane that we want to align. And now you can see our model fits within our printable volume